Starting your own graphic design, LLC, can seem like a big task, but it doesn't have to be. Today, we'll break it down so you can get rolling with your creative business. Let's dive into what an LLC is. Simply put, an LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the flexibility of a partnership with the liability protection of a corporation. It means your personal assets are protected if something goes wrong with your business. And who doesn't want that peace of mind, right? First up, you need to pick a catchy name for your LLC. Make sure it's unique and reflects your design style. Think of it as your brand's first impression. Once you have a name, it's time to register it. And that's where legalregistration.com comes in handy. We'll make sure your name is good to go. Next, you'll need to file your articles of organization. This is a fancy term for a document that officially forms your LLC. It typically includes your business name, address, and the names of the owners. But don't worry, legalregistration.com can help you with all the nitty-gritty details. Now let's talk about an operating agreement. This document is like a rule book for how your LLC will run. It lays out the roles of each member and how you'll handle decisions. You might be a solo designer, but having this in place is super helpful down the road. Plus, it keeps everyone on the same page. Don't forget about getting an EIN, or employer identification number. It's like a social security number for your business. You'll need it for taxes, opening a bank account, and hiring employees. Again, legalregistration.com can assist you with obtaining one. If you're offering services locally, you may need a business license or permit. It depends on where you're based, so check local regulations. This step is crucial to ensure you're playing by the rules. Another tip, keep your business finances separate from your personal accounts from day one. It makes bookkeeping easier, simplifies taxes, and gives your LLC a more professional appearance. Lastly, consider business insurance. It's not the most exciting part, but it protects your business in case of unexpected bumps in the road. Think of it as a safety net for your creative venture. And there you have it. Setting up your graphic design LLC might seem complex, but with the right help, especially from legalregistration.com, it's a smooth process. Plus, having your own LLC gives you the freedom to focus on what you love, design. So, what are you waiting for? Start your creative journey and make your mark in the design world. If you've got questions or need help, just reach out to legalregistration.com or give us a call at 877-955-7111. We've got your back. Before you go, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips. Thanks for joining us, and happy designing!